How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can properly hide your games on Steam. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. All you have to do is open up Steam, and once you're here, you want to navigate to Library and click on Home. So this will actually bring up the list of your installed games, and all you have to do from here is select the game that you want to hide, like so, and right click on it, and under manage you'll see that there's an option to hide the game. And yeah, it's that simple. Now there's another way. Assuming you want to keep your games private from your friends or anyone who can view your profile on Steam, here's how you actually do it. So what you want to do is click on your profile, like so, and you want to navigate to you want to scroll down till you find games right here. And what you want to do is you want to click on this little cog here. And here's where you'll actually get to configure the privacy settings on your games. And here you get to choose who gets to see your games under game details. So here you can set this to private, so only you can see your games, and your friends and anyone who's on your profile can't see what you have installed. And yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more guide videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.